Okay, welcome again to in this QBasic tutorials, and here will today most important points of modular programming. This will be our uh, topic today. Okay, so most important points of sub procedure modular programming. So let's see what are those most important points are. So here few remembering points of sub procedure modular programming are here. So number point is sub procedure does not return any value. So we do not give any symbol after sub procedure while declaring any and defining it. So here are the examples like declare subject $a, so declare subject a percentage, and declare subject $a. So declare subject a. Okay, so here we no need to give which we no need to apply in the sub declaring sub. So look at here, this first one and the second one we no need to give this. So we have to declare like this without any giving any symbols. Okay, so we'll move to the next point. Sub procedure does not return any value, so we can use print statement inside sub procedure. Okay, third, sub procedure does not return any value, so we can define a sub procedure for multiple output. It can perform more than one calculation. We can use different parameter names in declare, call and sub statement, but the number of parameter and their types must be same. Sub procedure is created without parameter. If we don't need to pass any value to sub module from main module, we can leave in the place of parameter list. Okay, so these are the few important points of the modular programming, because there is another procedure also which is called the function procedure. So that's why we have to remember these few points of the sub procedure. In function procedure, little bit different points are there. So we see a few examples of these points. The first point we have seen here the example. Now others we'll see in the next slides. Okay, so here first is write a QBasic program using sub procedure to show multiple table of any number. So this program will do like this here. So this program goes like this, and here one note of this: the sub procedure does not return any value, so print statement is inside the sub procedure or defining part. Okay, so look at it with the arrow here, the print statement is here. So this is the example of that point. Okay, print statement is here. Now next, the program to calculate area and volume of a room. So here we'll do two programs here. So here program is going on, is writing here, you can see, and sub. So here you can see print area A and print volume B, means two calculation we have done here. So look at here the note: sub procedure does not return any value, so we can define a sub procedure for multiple output. It can perform more than one calculation. Here look at this. Okay, you can see it is one only calling, and there two printouts with one calling. Okay, next program is here. It is to check whether the number is odd or even. So in this is the means we can use different parameter names in declare, call and sub statement, but the number of parameter and their types must be same. Okay, how it is? Look at here. Here we have used odd even A. Look at up A, and then down sub odd even W. So it means that we can use different parameter names in declare and defining and the call statements. Okay, but the numbers of parameters and types there should be same, because here look at here, odd even A, only one variable, one parameter is there A, and down odd even W, sub odd even W, so there is only one. So that's why we need to give one para. If there is one parameter up, so down means others, while declaring and defining there should be same. Okay, next, write a QBasic program using sub procedure to print series 1 to 10. Okay, so this is a program to printing 1 to say 1 to 10 numbers using the for loop and using the sub procedure. So here is the note: sub procedure is created without parameter. If we don't need to pass any value to sub module from main module, we can leave in the place of parameter list. So here you can see there is no any parameter. So without parameter also we can do the sub procedure programming. So these were the points of the sub procedure programming. So this much for today.